If you have sensitive skin, you know how hard it is to find a face wash that won't irritate or cause breakouts. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser caught my eye right away, especially with its focus on hydration. Priced at $15.97, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to cleanse without stripping moisture. If you want a gentle cleanser that actually hydrates your skin, this is worth a serious look. This cleanser features hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin, which are essential for keeping sensitive skin hydrated. The non-foaming formula means it won't dry your skin out, which is crucial if you're dealing with sensitivity. It's also certified by the National Eczema Association, so you know it's been tested for even the most delicate skin types. CeraVe has sold over 80,000 units in the past month alone, which says a lot about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the texture, saying it feels a bit too thick. Here's the thing though, that lotion-like consistency is exactly what makes it so moisturizing. If you have extremely oily skin, it might feel too heavy, but for dry or sensitive skin, it's a blessing. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a daily cleanser that hydrates and cleanses without irritation. Skip this one if you have very oily skin and prefer a lighter wash. For the price, it really delivers in value for a dermatologist-recommended product. Now, if CeraVe's thicker texture is a concern for you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. The Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser is another gem, priced at just $9.97. This one really stands out because it's formulated without common irritants, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin. If you want a mild, effective face wash that won't cause any flare-ups, this is definitely worth a serious look. It has a pH-balanced design, which is critical for sensitive skin types. Plus, it has received rave reviews from dermatologists and consumers alike, with thousands of units sold just this month. This matters because it shows you're not alone in your search for a gentle cleanser. However, some users found it didn't lather as much as they'd like. But I'll be real with you, that's actually a good thing for sensitive skin. Lather can often be achieved with harsher ingredients that can strip your skin. If you're looking for a non-irritating wash, this is a minor drawback. This is perfect for you if you have extremely sensitive skin and want something that's truly gentle. Skip this one if you prefer a foaming cleanser. The value for money is excellent, especially considering the quality of ingredients. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a bit of foam. Product number 3, CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. Next up is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, priced at $15.97. This one's designed for oily and sensitive skin, which caught my attention immediately. If you're looking for a foaming option that still respects your skin's barrier, this is worth considering. This cleanser dispenses as a gel and transforms into a light foam, which means you can enjoy that satisfying lather without compromising hydration. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and ceramides, so it doesn't strip your skin while effectively cleaning away dirt and oils. It's non-drying and non-irritating, which is ideal for those with sensitive skin. With 50,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people are loving it. Some users mentioned that it felt slightly drying for their skin, particularly during winter. Here's the kicker: if you follow up with a good moisturizer, that should counteract any dryness. It's less about the cleanser and more about your overall routine. This is perfect for you if you want a foaming wash that still prioritizes hydration. Skip this one if you have very dry skin without a good moisturizer on hand. It definitely provides great value for those who want both cleaning and gentle care. Now, if you're looking for something that hydrates while still being effective, the next product might just be your holy grail. Product number 4, Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. The Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is my next pick, retailing at $13.44. This is another great option that claims to hydrate while it cleanses, which is fantastic for sensitive skin. If you want something that not only cleans but also leaves your skin feeling soft, this is worth a look. This means you can use it in a pinch without losing moisture. It's free from fragrances and parabens, making it ideal for the most sensitive types. The reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with many saying it's their go-to for daily cleansing. However, some users have found it a bit too gentle and feel they need to follow up with another product for a deeper clean. Here's the thing, it's not meant to be a heavy-duty cleanser. If you're just looking for something to maintain your skin's balance without irritation, this is spot on. This is perfect for you if you have dry to normal sensitive skin that needs a gentle touch. Skip this one if you prefer something that feels like it's removing every last bit of dirt. For the quality and hydration it offers, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're curious about a foaming option for combination skin, you'll want to hear about the last product on my list. Product number 5, Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. Finally, we have the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser priced at $11.88. This one is designed for combination to oily skin types, which makes it unique among the others on this list. If you want a gentle foaming wash that effectively cleans and balances your skin, this is a great pick. This cleanser is clinically proven to deep clean by removing dirt, excess oils, and impurities without being harsh. It's formulated for sensitive skin, which means it won't leave you feeling tight or dry afterward. It's also great for minimizing the appearance of pores, which many of us can appreciate. With 30,000 units sold recently, it's quite popular among users. A few users reported that it can sometimes leave a residue if not rinsed thoroughly. Here's the thing, if you take a moment to ensure you rinse well, that shouldn't be a problem. It's all about how you use it, and for many, the benefits far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you have combination or oily skin and want a gentle yet effective daily cleanser. Skip this one if you have dry skin, as it might not provide enough moisture. For its price and effectiveness, it's a great value. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's wrap things up. So we've looked at 5 fantastic options for sensitive skin face washes. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser because it provides excellent hydration without irritation. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser if you have dry skin, as it might not give you the moisture you need. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.